Right, let us go with the problem number 14 here. One pack of cookies requires 3.5 cups of flour, right, and 2 1/3 cups of sugar. Right, estimated total quantity of both ingredients used in 10 such packets of cookies will be, right. So this is what we need to check out. So here cookies requires 3.5 cups of flour, right, 3.5 cups of flour, right, and 2 1/3 cups of sugar. Let me add this, right. So before adding, I'll convert it into mixed fraction, improper fraction, right. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, plus 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3, right. So denominator are different and as well as co-prime to each other. So 6 is going to be the LCM. 2 3s are 3 7s are 21 plus 3 2s are 2 7s are 14. Right, 21 plus 14 is going to be how much? 35 by 6. Right, so cups of sugar and as well as flour is required. Right, so now in such 10 such packets of cookies, right, now what we need to do, 35 by 6 into 10, right, which is going to be, right, 35 tens are, so 350 by 6 will come, 350 by 6. Now let us check out here. So the options they have given here are less than 50 cups, between 50 and 60, between 60 and 70, above 60 cups, right. Just divide this. So 350 that divided by 6, right, 6 5s are 30, right, 5 0, 6 8s are 48, right. So again further division is possible. Let us stop here. So approximately 58 cups is required, approximately 58 cups is required. So which is the answer here is less than 50, between 50 and 60, between 60 and 70, above 60. So here 58 comes between 50 and 60. That's what option B is the right one.